Now Mommy knows who's doing that with the toilet paper. And this is why we never have toilet paper, isn't it? You caught busted, huh? How does that make you feel? This is what he did, Mom. This is what he did to your toilet paper. Judah, what do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? That's what I thought. Nothing. Yep. Look at him go to town on that. Look at him go to town. Look at that cat. Look at him. Caught you red-handed. Red-handed. Give me that. You're so cute, but he's so cute. Look at him. Look at him. You're cute. Okay.